Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you are having a wonderful week. Today I want to go into a brand called Bobbi Brown. I was gifted some products, from a third party, and yeah, I'm just excited to try these because even though I know a bit about the brand Bobbi Brown, and the first time I kind of really got into it was when I watched Bobbi Brown herself, teach a master class, and there was this whole thing that she had done on makeup, and I noticed that the makeup that she likes is very, very natural kind of stuff that just complements the person. It's very nice. So I was pretty excited when I saw that there was an option to actually try out some of her products, and it was coming as a package. So I just want to show you the products that I got. Let's get right into that. So yeah, the first one that I got is a foundation. So this is called the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. So any foundation with SPF, I'm interested in trying. Obviously, I feel like it matches some tones on my skin. I don't know if it's going to match the darker tones, but we're going to see. Anyway, I'm not planning to cover my whole face in this because I've never really been that kind of person. But this is what it looks like, and it comes, as a pump. So that's the first product. The next thing that I got was a vitamin enriched face base, also by the same company. So basically all the products that I got were from Bobbi Brown. But anyway, just want to open this and see. We're going to be applying some of this onto my face as well, because obviously I want to see how all of these amazing products work together. So I'm just going to open that. It's got a cute seal, and this is basically what that face thing looks like. You can see the texture. It looks like a really nice cream, and it smells so good, and I put some on my nose by accident. Yeah, it smells really nice though. It smells very, very nice. Kind of like, I don't know if I got a hint of rose. Is there rose in this? Maybe there is. I have no idea, but it smelled kind of like, okay, I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, I will let you know if I find out later. Okay, so the next thing that I received was a skin corrector. So this is a stick corrector. So basically it's all about keeping it, natural this time. That's why I finished my makeup first. So I got it in the color Peach. So I don't really know if I need this, but maybe I will use it on the small, you can see I've got small blemishes at the moment. The tretinoin is definitely cleaning up a lot of that, but on maybe over here and over there, and just wherever I have blemishes, I will apply this. Usually orange does kind of work for my skin tone, and this does look kind of orangey, peachy, so yeah, should be fine. Oh, and it's basically like this. It's like a lipstick. Oh, that's so cool. I like that. Okay, so that's the second product, and then we have the Skin Full Cover Concealer. So that's this one over here. Let's open that and see what that looks like. So this is the concealer, definitely a few tones lighter than my skin tone, as you can see. And last but not least, we actually do have this cute little brush. It's full coverage face. Okay, so this is obviously like a foundation brush. So I'm going to be using that to, obviously do that stuff on my face. Now this is another Bobbi Brown product, not from the bundle, but I did think that maybe I should see if this will kind of work. It's basically a longwear cream shadow stick in the shade Vanilla. So I was thinking maybe I would put a little bit maybe in the inner corners just to kind of brighten that up. So because it's very, very, you can see that. And then just kind of blend that a bit, with a brush or something, because obviously I don't want a big patch of white on either side of my face. Just taking that first Bobbi Brown product and just kind of blending it out just to, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start. I'm going to go in with the base first. So that's the vitamin enriched face base. So we're going to take some of that. We're going to put it on my face. All right, so I'm just putting the base onto my skin, and honestly it feels so nice. I feel like I would wear this even if I wasn't wearing makeup. It's so hydrating, and that smell is just so nice. I really like the smell as well. It's very, very thick, so a little goes a long way. I think that the finish is probably going to be kind of shiny, but I'm actually okay with that because I like it when my skin looks like that. Okay, so this is basically what it's looking like at the moment. I kind of feel like it does match my skin tone, so I'm just going to tap it out with my fingers. And you can see what that is beginning to look like. Even up here, I'm just going to tap it out. but I'm just gonna go with the flow. So the thing with, you know, getting products obviously online, especially when you volunteer yourself to test out products, is sometimes you may not actually get the shades that necessarily match your skin tone the best. Like this, I feel it kind of does, but I don't really feel like I need a ton of this either, because, you know, with the tretinoin and my current skincare routine and everything, I just don't really need that much foundation. Okay, so the next thing that I want to go in with is the foundation, and then we'll do the concealer right after that. So I'm going to be using my foundation brush for that. I'm going to take some on the brush. Alright, so I put some onto my brush. I'm just going to go and we're going to cover up those areas that I obviously, you know, want to cover. Okay, so you can kind of see the color coming out there. I feel like it does match. Okay, so the next product that we're going to be using, the last and final one, is the concealer. So I'm just going to add a bit of that onto my eyes. We're just going to add one. I think, yeah, we'll just add it here. I don't think I need a lot, so I'm just gonna put a tiny bit there. Oh my goodness, the wand is so fascinating. Alright, so you can kind of see what's happening right now. It's seriously brightening up my face. Just look at that. And this, I've been doing this just with the brush. I kind of feel like I did not need this much concealer. I really didn't. So I'm just gonna take some off with this. And I'm just gonna put it on the tissue and just continue blending this out. But I just don't feel like I needed this much concealer on my face. No way. I do think that I will take a warmer shade of foundation and add it onto my face, just to kind of make, you know, my skin look less just all one tone over here. But I'm actually even okay. Like you can see, this is the side with foundation, this is no foundation, and I don't know, I kind of feel like I prefer this side because it just looks more natural. Like this is not what my skin actually looks like, but at the same time it looks so bright and it looks so like I feel like my eye bags are gone in a sense. I mean, they're still there, but you know, you get what I'm saying. So okay, I'm gonna go finish up my face, and I will come back and let you know my thoughts on the products. Okay, so this is what my face looks like using all 6 Bobbi Brown products. Obviously, I'd thrown in this, you know, what is it, longwear shadow stick thing, and this was not part of what I was gifted with this package. This was through Ipsy or BoxyCharm, one of the two. But let's just talk about these products. So, looking at my face right now, oh my goodness, I love it. I absolutely do. I was so thrilled by the fact that they gave me a vitamin enriched face base. So this really, the way that it's made the foundation, I think, sit on my skin. I'd already done my skincare prior to this because I always do, but I always appreciate, you know, a brand that actually just gives you something a little extra. So this is actually a primer and a moisturizer. So I actually have double the moisturizer on my skin right now, and I'm actually loving it. I feel it looks so natural. Let's go to the foundation. Okay, so the foundation over here is actually, it has SPF 15. So that was actually what caught my eye. I was so excited about it. This foundation is, I don't think it's full coverage. It was not for me anyway. I did have to use like another coat. I think you can build it up. So it's buildable to that. So I think this is more medium to full because, you know, like I do have like darker skin like here on my forehead. And I do have some, you know, scars that have been left over and stuff like over here, and they are slowly going away because I'm using tretinoin. So it did take like 2 coats of this to actually cover that up. The concealer was so bright. Obviously you saw what that was. It was superb. And then I did go in and I added a blush and everything because I did need some color to my face. I'm not someone who can just wear foundation and go out like just, you know, it feels too like white and yeah, too bright, and I'm just not that person. So I did add blush. And you know, the concealer was obviously superb. The way it worked, it was amazing. The color correcting thing also has worked pretty well. Like I did not really require full coverage. I just wanted those spots to kind of get, you know, covered up, and I think it's done a really good job. Like, let me know what you can see on the camera because I'm looking at the mirror. I don't really see this. It doesn't really seem to be showing up on my face at all. So I'm really happy about that one too. And I guess the brush, oh my goodness, this brush, I absolutely love this brush. It's the way that it blends. I decided to use it for the blush, and I went in with Shina B from my blush because I think I told you guys in a previous video that I just love how natural, you know, this cream blush looks, and I'm really, really developing a love for cream blushes. So I thought, you know what, I may as well just use the same blush. So I did take the blush, I put it on my, you know, face over here because I didn't want to bring the foundation to the blush. So I did that and I put it on both sides, and then I used this to just do this to go out and blend, and the way it blended it, it was so nice. This is a very, very good quality brush. I really, really love it, and I'm so happy that I got this brush. Like, I'm gonna go and look after this so well because it's just working so well on my skin. So I'm actually so excited about, you know, this natural kind of like makeup set. I'm really, really happy that I got the chance to try it out. I think this may actually become, you know, something that I'm going to be using a lot more. So far, my favorite foundation brands have been Yensa Beauty. I always go to Yensa because I absolutely love them. And I think now Bobbi Brown is probably on par with Yensa. So I'm pretty happy. I am. And I think that if you guys actually are interested in checking out these products, and, you know, especially this, I just love this, like the primer and the moisturizer. Oh my goodness, I love that. And the brush, yeah. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, then you should totally do so because, you know, obviously this looks really, really good on someone that has my skin tone. And I think that, you know, yeah, I can happily say that this is a really, really good experience with the products. I'm very happy with it. So yeah, thank you for joining me. That's all I have to share with you in this video. I will be back very soon with another video, but do let me know if you're going to be grabbing any Bobbi Brown products, or if you've tried out the brand before. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Bye.